In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem when Outlook detects an add-in issue. If you've been experiencing Outlook automatically disabling some of your add-ins, or if it's been freezing or crashing, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a few straightforward solutions that should get you back to a smooth experience with Outlook. First, let's tackle what to do when Outlook automatically detects an add-in problem and disables it. This usually happens when an add-in is slowing things down. To resolve this, open Outlook and navigate to the File tab. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to Slow and Disabled COM add-ins. This section displays all the add-ins that Outlook has identified as slow performing. Find the particular add-in you want to re-enable. You'll notice two options. You can choose either always enable this add-in or simply enable. Go ahead and select one of these options to get the add-in working again. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to restart Outlook to apply the changes. Often, this alone can solve the issue. Now, if you find that Outlook keeps freezing or crashing, there's a possibility that one of your add-ins is causing a more serious problem. You might need to disable these add-ins manually. Here's how you do it. Start by going to the File menu and selecting Options. Within the Options window, click on Add-ins. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu next to Manage. Ensure that COM add-ins is selected, then click Go. A list of your add-ins will appear with checkboxes next to them. Uncheck any add-ins you aren't sure about or suspect might be causing the issue. Once you're done, click OK and restart Outlook. Disabling these add-ins can help identify the culprit if Outlook stops crashing or freezing, thereby pinpointing the problematic add-in. Finally, another approach to diagnosing troubles with add-ins is to start Outlook in Safe Mode. Safe Mode temporarily disables all add-ins, which helps determine if add-ins are indeed causing the problem. To boot up in Safe Mode, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens the Run dialog box. Once you've got that open, type in outlook.exe, safe, and press Enter. If Outlook operates normally in Safe Mode, it confirms that one or more add-ins are responsible for your issues. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the add-in problems in Outlook. It's a simple process and helps ensure that Outlook runs smoothly, which is crucial for keeping your productivity uninterrupted. Remember to re-enable any essential add-ins after troubleshooting is complete. We hope these solutions have been helpful. If you have any further issues, feel free to consult the Outlook support documentation or reach out to their support for more detailed assistance. Thank you for joining me, and good luck troubleshooting your Outlook.